Hi, my name is Adrian Gepp, and I'm Professor of Business Data Analytics at the Bangor Business School. I've been teaching for around 2 decades in this space and have created award-winning programs in business data analytics, which is really all about trying to take the data that businesses have and improve decision-making. I've also had the privilege of being a researcher in this space, and it's really about, again, getting insights from data that make a positive change in terms of some economic or social problems that we have. And my research focus has really been around industry-linked projects, whether that be risk analytics, whether that be advertising analytics or predictive financial models, fraud analytics, and so on. The span is quite broad. Business data analytics is a collection of three pieces. Firstly, the technical piece, the technical proficiency, where you learn multiple coding languages, no need to know anything beforehand. You also learn the analytical, statistical, machine learning, all of those predictive modeling tools. Then the second piece is the business acumen piece, where you learn about business, finance, the terminology, the world of business that you will work in. And then the third piece is the applied piece, where the two come together, where you really apply those skills to business problems. You'll always be doing that bit by bit, but piecing them together into a bigger piece. And this concept can apply across all industries because they all have data that they need to get insights from. Students will learn from this course the ability to take data that is available from businesses, how to clean that data, get that into a format that they can analyze, and then how to produce insights that are interesting, that are actionable, and how to communicate those with the rest of the business. So really largely about problem-solving skills in the context of doing that within a coding language. So you'll learn how to code basic from first principles. Then you'll learn how to, as I said, obtain the data, to prepare the data, and then to create insights from the data and indeed report those insights back at the end. I've been involved in creating multiple business data analytics courses and led the development of the business data analytics program at Bangor University. And the reason why it's such a big deal is that the employment prospects are so high. And it's the key that you not only have the analytic skills, but you also have the business acumen to create that positive change. So I've had students that are working in New York in consulting firms in the audio music industry, some that are working in accounting firms, banks, in the retail sector, telecommunications, mining, agriculture even. Everywhere can make use of their data and create insights from their data that can improve business processes. So the scope of where you can go in terms of traditional industries is extremely broad, as well as new ones like fintech. The exciting thing about business data analytics at Bangor is that we use real-world industry tools. So you will learn R and Python, the leading data analytics programming languages. You will use the facilities in our brand new trading room, Bloomberg terminals that are used in all of the movies and all of the big financial investment houses, as well as top databases, Capital IQ, and many more. So you'll be using real business data and how to obtain that, not just manufactured, made up cases. So you'll get those real tools and then produce dashboards as if you were going to be producing them in the real world as well. And equally, these skills can translate beautifully into research because you have advanced analytic skills. So it's also a research pathway open to students that do this program. My best advice is to apply for a business data analytics program. I really think that it's one of the areas that is as future-proofed as you can get, and it'll be a great profession. Is always ranked in some of the best job satisfaction levels that are out there. So in terms of, if I've convinced you on that, what to do to prepare, have an inquisitive mind. It doesn't matter whether you've seen programming languages before or not. You could have a little play around with R or Python if you want to, but really bring an inquisitive mind and think about what are the business challenges? How could we use data to help make a difference and improve a business process? So think about some of the businesses that you've seen or that you've worked in and start to get that mind thinking about how you could improve that.